Welcome you all. The next topic in your syllabus, paper second in unit third, anatomy. The second point of this anatomy unit is the root stem transition. So, as you know, the entire plant they are having the root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. So, leaves are under the soil and above portion that is the stem. You can clearly see in the picture. So in anatomically we have to focus here. As you know, the anatomical structures or the in seeds, after the seeds germination they form the two region that is epicotyl and hypocotyl. जब भी seeds germinate होता है they are two parts. एक उसके जो सीड्स के थ्रू रेडिकल और एज अ प्ल्यूमल वहां पे बाहर निकलते हैं तो दैट इज दे कैन फॉर्म द स्टेम एंड roots. So epicotyl they are formed the above portions of the part and hypocotyl region that are formed the below the root part of the plant. So here and these two cotyledons that will be remain as it is and after the growth of the plant they will be dead or they will be removed by the stem portion. So first in plant there is the shoot and root that will be formed from the seeds. So here which type of changes that will be takes place in case of the root and stem anatomically that have here we discuss with you. So in case of the root stem transition, the changes in the orientation of the vascular tissues that will be takes place that means the exarch radial type that will be present in the root to that will be changed into the enlarged and conjoined collateral type in stem and these all designated as a root stem transition. Root stem transition in that means if you have seen this picture. So in that picture if we see the anatomic or transverse sections of the root. So in the root there is the at the center there is the vascular tissues are there and they are arranged in the radially. They are arranged in different radius. But after in the stem part, if you take the above picture, you see the above picture. So here the transverse section of the stem. So in that stem, the central part is the pith, and around that pith, these vascular bundles they are arranged in spherical or in periphery position. So in root from root to the stem, the anatomical structures of the plant that will be changed. Changed in the sense the exhaust type of or the radial vascular system is changed into the conjoined collateral type of vascular system. What is mean by conjoined and collateral? Tell me, answer any one of you. What is mean by conjoined and collateral type of vascular bundles? No one?
Xylem and phloem in the same line and cambium is absent.
Okay. So here conjoined and collateral that means xylem and phloem are present in the same radius and xylem present towards the inner sides and phloem present towards the outer side. It is the collateral position. So and in root there is only the radial type of vascular bundle. Radial that means radius So here xylem and phloem, they are present in the different radius. So how this happens, how the internal structures of this or the anatomical structures of the root that will be changed into the stem we have discussed here. So first, in case of the root and stem, they are the common axis of the plant. That means, यदि पूरा entire plant, if you are considered the entire plant, in that plant, the main axis of that, the common axis are the stem and root. So, but they are having the anatomical difference between the root and stem. So in case of the root, there is the radial arrangement of vascular filaments or vascular bundle. So you see here the radial vascular bundles in that picture. So the xylem and phloem, they are arranged in the different radius. So in root, the radial arrangement of vascular bundles are you see. In case of the stem, there is a conjoined collateral vascular bundle. So here, the phloem and xylem are in one plane. Xylem towards the inner side, phloem towards the outer side. Sometimes in between xylem and phloem, there is a cambium is present. If cambium is present, then it is called as what is open type or closed type. If the xylem or the cambium ring is present in between xylem and phloem, then what it is called open type of vascular bundle or closed type of vascular bundle?
Open type.
Open.
Open type of vascular bundles. So in stem, sometimes it is open type or sometimes it is closed type vascular bundles, but it is conjoint and collateral. Then second difference in between root and stem, that is xylem is exarch type in root and it is in endarch type in the stem. What is mean by exarch? So exarch, that means protoxylem towards the outer side. So in exarch there is a protoxylem and metaxylems are there. Protoxylem, that means the mature xylem, and metaxylem, that is the young xylem. So here the mature xylem vessels are present towards the outer side. There is the exarch condition. And in endarch, protoxylem towards the center. That means जो mature xylem vessels है, these are present at the center, and young xylem vessels, they are present at the periphery. So this the two main difference regarding the root and stem anatomically. So how these changes that will be takes place, we have discussed here. So in between the root stem transition, there is a slowly change will be takes place between the radial arrangement of vascular elements and exact xylem of the root to the conjoined collateral vascular bundle, and in that xylem of stem is called as root stem transition. The root stem transition, that means यहाँ पे slowly changes that will be takes place, or anatomically slow changes that will be takes place from uh, vascular system, that means the radial arrangement of vascular bundles that will change in the conjoined collateral type of vascular bundles. So here, first, the in which region this root and stem transition takes place? So mostly in the hypocotyl region. Hypocotyl region, that is region between radical and lumen. जहाँ से हमने सीड का स्ट्रक्चर देखा, सीड से क्या होता है, वहाँ पे एक रूट अपेक्स और शूट अपेक्स, ऐसे दो इनिशियल पॉइंट वहाँ पे ग्रो होते हैं. So that is the radical and plumule. So here in the region of the region between the plumule and radicle that's called as the hypocotyl region. So this hypocotyl region, mostly these root and stem transitions will be take place. So length of the hypocotyl that will be varied from species to species, and also the duration of the transition varies from species to species. तो हर एक प्लांट में जो हाइपोकॉटिल रीजन है दैट मीन्स द रूट स्टेम ट्रांजिशन पॉइंट है दैट विल बी डिफरेंट रहता है उनका जो ड्यूरेशन है मतलब जो वहाँ पे चेंजेस हो रहे हैं एनाटॉमिकली जो चेंजेस हो रहे हो चेंजेस होने में भी वहाँ पे हर एक प्लांट में अलग अलग टाइम लगता है. So first of all, the scientists Emmons and McDaniels they have discovered the root stem transition and they are uh, do the work on that root stem transition point. So what are the steps which are included under the root stem transition? So in that transition, the main four stages. First stage is the division, then second stage is the forking, third one is the rotation, and fourth one is the fusion. So these are the four different stages that are take place between the vascular bundles and due to these stages, due to these different processes, the structure or the anatomical structure that will be changed from root to the stem. That means from radial arrangement to the conjoint collateral arrangement. Then the transition, they are having the main four types. So type A is the or the transition that will be differentiated into four types. For type 1 is the type A or which is also called as the Funaria mirabilis type. So also the gives name according to the plant. So type A it is found in the plant Funaria that is from bryophyte and mirabilis that it is an angiospermic plant. Then second type B it is found in the plant Cucurbita or which is also called as Phaseolus type. Cucurbita, as you know, the cucurbita plant, this type B root stem transition is present and which is also called as Phaseolus type. Then third one is the type C. So type C, it is found in the Lathyrus plant or Phoenix which is also called as the Phoenix type. Then type D is the Anermarina and which is also called as the monocot type. In most of these monocot plants, type D root stem transition it is observed. So let's discuss about the one by one type of this root stem transition. So in first, these the first type is the type A and which is also called as Funaria or mirabilis type. So here you can see clearly this picture. So in that case, the first figure, it is the anatomical structures of this stem, sorry, root, and five it is the stem. So in root, the first one is the anatomical sections of the root. So here the you can found the two types of in inner structure. There is the two जो आपको round body में somewhat oval structure दिख रहा है, that is the phloem cell, और जो triangular shape में है that is the xylem strand. So here in case of the root there is the radial arrangement of vascular bundles. So here in type A there is the four xylem as well as four phloem strands are present and both are present in the different radius. Then the different changes or different processes that will be takes place in this type A and internal structures of the vascular arrangement of these roots that will be changed in the stem, that is the figure 5. So which steps that will be takes place in case of the root stem transition? So here the first stage, the root stem transition, it is the division stage. Division, that means the each xylem strands, they are divided radially, but here phloem strands are not divided. You can see the second figure. In second, there is a division of the xylem strand that will be takes place, and the xylem, that is a triangular shape which is in xylem strand. So the xylem strands, they are divided, and they are radially divided, and they form the two strands. But here in figure 2, there is a no division will take place in case of the phloem strand. Then that means the second step, it is the forking step. In forking stage, what's happened? The division of xylem strand continues to form the fork. So here four of xylem strands further deepened to form the two separate xylem strands from each. So here you can see the third one. In that third, there is a of forking will be takes place. Forking, that means जो यहाँ पे डिवीजन बैलेंस स्टैंड की जो डिवीजन हुई थी, वो डिवीजन होके यहाँ पे जो फोर जो xylem strands है, that will be separate out and they form the different forks of this xylem. So each xylem that will be divided. So here different eight xylem strands that will be formed. Then after this forking, the third stage is the rotation. So rotation here, each xylem strands undergoes rotation at 180 degree, and the exact xylem change into the enlarged xylem. So in fourth, you can see here fourth figure. So here जो xylem stands है, these xylem stands, that will be rotation, and rotation takes place in the 180 degree. 180 degree में वो rotate हो रहे हैं, तो जो xylem की condition exact condition है, वो directly उसके opposite हो जाएगी, enlarged xylem condition वहाँ पे change हो जाती है due to the rotation. So here in fourth stage, the rotations will be takes place, and the xylem stand that will be converted into the exact condition, exact xylem stands into the enlarged xylem stand. Then last one, it is the redivision or the fusion. So here fusion of the two xylem from one form to form one xylem strand, and xylem strand joins with the phloem below to result conjoined collateral vascular bundle. So here after this rotation, the xylem strands, two fourth xylem strand, they will be fused and they are attached to the phloem strands. So here these condition or the position of the vascular bundles that will be changed from radial to the conjoined collateral position. So in this way, these different steps are carried out in the step A, that is in type or in type A, and in some special features of that type, it is the number of vascular bundles in stem is equal to the number of phloem strands in the root. So as you see in this figure, in first figure, it is in root. So in root, there is the four xylem strands and four phloem strands. After this root stem transition processes, in five, that is in the stem, also there is the four xylem strands and four phloem strands. So there is the नो एनी चेंज इन द वेस्कुलर बंडल। जैसे ही हमें स्टेम में जो रूट में वेस्कुलर बंडल का जो नंबर है वही नंबर हमें स्टेम में भी दिखाई देता है। इट इज द स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ टाइप ए। देन position of phloem, the phloem it is not divides or fuses, therefore position of phloem not changes during the root stem transition. So here in case of the type A, the phloem position that will not be changed because here the changes that will be takes place regarding the only xylem strand. The phloem it is not change the position of the phloem. So this is all regarding the type A or Fumaria type or Mirabilis type in root stem transition. This transition process takes place in 4 stages. First one is the division, then there is the forking, then rotation, and last one is the fusion. So in this way, the root stem transition that will be takes place in case of the Fumaria type. The remaining type we have discussed in the next lecture. So now I stop this sharing.